Hi, this is Alexis from Akenza. I'm sure you all know this type of configurable button that allow you to create different type of service on demand use cases for your company, such as, for example, a cleaning service for this blackboard, or a washroom, or a service on demand service for your printer so that it doesn't run out of paper. But there are many other exciting use cases that you can do with this type of technology. And we at Akenza, we have our own approach to it. So let me show you what we did in our kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen of Akenza. So if you're also working in a dynamic company such as ours, I'm sure you know that you need a constant flow of coffee, sweets, maybe beers to make everyone happy. At Akenza, it appears that the sweets are very popular and we don't want to run out of sweets. So what we did is we installed this button board that you see on the wall that allows us to create notifications on our Slack channel when it's time to refill the sweets. So what just happened is that the button board sent a LoRa message to Akenza, which then sent back a Slack notification to a specific channel. And I received already the Slack notification, as you can see on my smartphone. Now I know that I need to refill the sweets so that everybody stays happy in the company. So this is how easy it is to create a service on demand button for your company. If you want help to do the same, just contact us and we'll be happy to help. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.